Well, here I am, and I'd just like to show you the transmission in this 1963 Ford 300. Now, where I expected to find a Borg Warner T-85, I have a Toploader, a 303. And I was wondering, well, I thought the Toploader didn't come out till 1964. Is this the original transmission? It can't be. I mean, is it unfounded that maybe some late production 63s would have gotten top loaders? Maybe not. Maybe the transmission was replaced at some point, which is entirely possible. But then, while under it doing exhaust, I noticed something. Bear with me here for a second. The tail shaft has a C3 date code, which indicates 1963 production. The mystery deepens. Something else. The gear case has a C3 on it too. Weird.